Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with discounts from Costco, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the membership options at Costco. Consider the two main types, Gold Star and Executive. Evaluate which membership suits your shopping habits. Visit the Costco website or a local store to sign up. Once you have your membership, familiarize yourself with the layout of the store. Take note of discount areas often found in the back corner. Check for special promotions that change frequently. Look for seasonal and holiday discounts that can offer substantial savings. Make use of Costco's coupon book, which is mailed out monthly. Utilize the Costco app for digital coupons and instant notifications on deals. Create a shopping list based on items that are currently on sale. Consider bulk purchasing for non-perishable items to maximize savings. Keep an eye on member-only discounts which can be found throughout the store. Don't overlook the pharmacy department, which often has discounted health products. Explore the food court for great deals on meals that can save you money. Refer to the clearance section in the store for additional savings. Use your Costco credit card for added discounts on your purchases. Take advantage of the return policy for items that don't meet expectations. Stay updated on when new products are introduced, as they are often discounted. Attend Costco events, which can offer exclusive member discounts. Remember to compare prices with other retailers to ensure the best deals. Track your savings over time to see how memberships pay off. Join online forums or communities to share tips on saving at Costco. Plan your shopping trips during weekdays when the store is less crowded. Utilize customer service for any inquiries about current discounts or promotions. Incorporate these strategies to maximize your savings at Costco effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.